everybody, it's me, Jennifer, and this is a Tag Tuesday video sponsored by, not really sponsored, but started by Sherry over at Turquois Dreaming, and she's invited anybody to join, so I'm joining. Since I had to make some tags anyway, we're still on our tag making journey to fill up all my pockets in my pocket journal that I made. So if you want to see my pocket journal, just look back a few videos and you should be able to find that. It's a flippy thingy. I made a flippy thingy for my journal, and that's what ended up being the whole journal. And then I made some other pockets that went in there. So look at that if you want to see how that turned out or how it's made. Okay, I have several things sitting out here. I wanted to show you this. I don't know if you've ever gotten this type of tea before. It's a yogi tea, but if you turn it inside out, it has all this pretty paper. And it has like kind of paisley design. And you can make tags out of that, or pockets, or just turn the whole box into a pretty box and color it if you wanted. So I thought that was really neat. So I'll probably be making some tags out of that soon. And let's look at the other stuff on my desk. Now, I was working on these. I made that. Finished making this one. Well, not finished. These are not completely finished. And all of these were like clothing tags, things like that. This is a clothing tag from my girls, and so is this one. I just covered them. This one was neat because it had the little, I forgot what those are called. Anyway, it has those little hole things in them. And I was able to put the paper underneath it, and it looks like it came that way. Of course, I'm going to go back and ink around these. This was from my girls' hair ties, and I thought it was turning out good. I'm going to go ahead and trim that off here. I thought it would make a great spool look. Then all I have to do is go around the edge of those. Then I had this one, and this is a bookmark from one of my kids. I'll save those for a minute. And what I want to do with it, I have this great map that I got from a thrift haul way back when, and I want to cut it out. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and glue on this side. My kids wrote down something a long time ago. This was like years ago. They saved this and they gave it to me. It's like, Mom, you can have it to do some crafting with. That's what I'm doing. Now, I have a certain kind of journal I like to put these kinds of things in. So I probably won't add it to this journal, but I did want to go ahead and make it because it was staring me in the face. And I think I'm just going to add a little bit of that map all the way around the outside too. Just a teeny bit. I think it'll look nice. And then it'll stick out and it'll say, I wonder what's on the other side. I'll turn it over and see the pretty map. But every once in a while I like to make a journal to give away that's for like kids that have special needs. And so I want to make one of those and put this in it. And it's going to be a bunch of bright colored things. I've got stuff saved up for that. Isn't that nice? That's funny, it says be creative, and that's what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to put that to the side and show you some other things. Now this piece of paper says dignity, and then I added my monochrome flowers to it. And then the other side, this was from my allergy medicine. And so I just rounded the corners, punched a hole. And this side I decided to leave the way it was and add some stuff to it just to make it cute. So that's what I'm doing. And they can put something on the other side and write on it if they want. But I am in the process of making several tags. I'll show you my other tags in a minute here that I've already got going. And I'm just taking a bunch of things, putting something on them to dress them up. And then I do the inking. Then I'm going to come back and do this part. I'm just doing a little bit today because I just had to after watching Turquois Dreaming and her hearts. I had to make something with a heart on it. But this is actually my third step I'm going to be doing, is embellishing. I have this cute little blue monochrome. And put it in a little space. This is, maybe I'll put it farther down so you can actually read some of it. So this one, I'll be inking it pretty soon. Make it pop. Yeah, I got my heart a little off center. That's okay. It'll all turn out nice once we add some ink. And this one is a library, what do you call those things? Cards anyway. Card catalog card that they get rid of. They let people take for writing notes on the library. And my kids bring them to me after they use them, or they just bring them if they think about it. Maybe they picked it up and didn't end up using it, and I was like, here Mom. So that was nice. Like when they do that and they remember their little mommy. Okay. Then you go back and you ink it up, maybe put some words, different things. And it's beautiful. Okay, this one, I don't know if I showed you this one. This one's cool too. I like to save these from the thrift store, the little price tags. And let's see if we can do anything special to the other side. How about we add a heart? Let's see, let's get some pink in there. Maybe another one. Another one. Got a bunch of cards. Let's see what we can do. It's gonna be great. I like how they fit on my glue stick real well. One heart. And you could actually ink around the hearts if you wanted to. And overlap them a little bit. Reminds me of Valentine's Day in grade school. Great memory. I had so much fun making heart-themed things in elementary. How about you? Okay, I need more pink. Ain't gonna do. See what I can find. I got all kinds of scrappy stuff here. I'm on a roll. I'll have to make some more hearts. Now they're going everywhere. Okay. Okay, let's see what we got. Flying hearts. Get back here. Okay, now let's go back to this method. Uh-oh, blue's everywhere. I'm gonna put the polka dotted heart here. On the other side of the paper is blue polka dots. Those were cute. Doesn't have to be pink. It can be blue. Matches my monochrome kind of look. I have some pink ones and some blue ones. Here's a nice pink one. This kind of distracts my mind. I'm having some pain today, so thanks Sherry for the distraction to help settle my body. Here's some more. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, these are pretty. Some butterflies. But I'm just gonna go for the pink in the flower. Pinky purpley. Oh, these are gonna be great. Here's one, popped right on. I think there was more. They're hiding. Maybe not. Okay, couple more. Let's see what we can get this time. We'll get some of this bluish greenish look. It's kind of marbly look when you cut it into a heart. I like it. Vintage looking. Okay. How about we put one right on the flower? No, it just kind of loses. You lose the flower. Okay. One there. You know, it looks like I didn't get that stem down. And a little bit of that leaf. Okay, guys, it's looking good. Kind of upside down, isn't it? That's okay. It can be a different direction. It doesn't have to be the same direction as most. Can we add anything? Nah, it looks good the way it is. Then this one, I'm thinking maybe it needs more. I don't know. No, that's good. Well, let's see. I think I'm gonna save my inking till next time because I'm just not feeling so hot. So if you're a prayer warrior, please pray for me to get out of my lower back pain. Thank you for joining me. Maybe later on today I'll have a little bit more back pain relief from some pain medicine, and I can get back on and share some more tag stuff. Oh, here's that one. Okay, see y'all later. Bye bye. Use up your packaging and use up your junk mail. See you later. Bye bye.